Hey, my name is Katya and I'm a Russian native speaker. Let's speak about Russian nouns.
A noun is существительное. Существительное. In writing, we usually abbreviate it to сущ. Сущ. Nouns denote the subject and answer the questions who, кто, and what, что, кто, что. For example, who is it? Кто это? It's my cat. Это моя кошка. Кошка is a noun. Nouns can be masculine, feminine, and neuter. Also, it can be in singular or plural form. And in Russian language we have 6 cases, but it's a difficult topic, so today we are not gonna discuss it. We will discuss nouns in masculine, feminine, neuter form and in singular and plural. Masculine noun is существительное мужского рода. Feminine – женского рода. Neuter – среднего рода. How can we distinguish masculine nouns from feminine? Masculine nouns end with a consonant or «е». For example, a house, дом, or a cat, кот. Дом is a consonant and кот is a consonant, so these nouns are masculine. Feminine nouns end with «а» or «я». Машина – a car, яма – a hole, я, я. Neuter nouns end with «о» or «е». Облако – a cloud, окно – a window, or in the end. Maybe you don't remember which sounds are consonant. Let me remind you. Blue sounds are consonant. B, V, G, D, Ж, З и краткая К, Л, М, Н, П, Р, С, Т, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ. These blue sounds are consonant. I told you this because masculine nouns end with a consonant, so you have to know which sounds are consonant. In Russian language we always have exceptions. Exceptions is исключение. For example, a word papa means a father, papa, and as you may guess, it's masculine. It ends with a, but it's not feminine. Papa, a father. Russians also borrowed many words from French language, so we have many words end with ye, but it's masculine, not neuter. For example, croupier, masculine, croupier. Words with a soft sign in the end can be feminine, not always, but very often. For example, площадь, a square, площадь, it's feminine. Or кровать, a bed. Soft sign in the end, but they are feminine. Of course, it's not all exceptions. But don't worry, the most important thing is the rule, not exceptions. Russian names can also be exceptions. For example, Misha is short of Mikhail, Misha. It ends with a, but it's masculine. Misha. Then Yura. Yura ends with a, but it's a masculine word. Then Grisha. It's a name for boys. Grisha. Then Vanya, probably the most popular name. Vanya ends with ya, but it's masculine. And now look at these names. Оля, Masha, Dasha, Katya. They end with a and ya. They are feminine. It's not an exception. So both girls' names and boys' names can end with a, ya. And now let's practice a little. For example, a word девочка. It ends with a. Remember the rule, if it ends with a, it's feminine. Девочка, a girl, feminine. Now we have мальчик, мальчик, ends with a consonant. Words ending with a consonant are masculine. A boy, мальчик, masculine. Next one, сообщение, сообщение, ends with ye, ends with ye. So it's neuter. A message, сообщение. What about this one? Papa, papa, ends with a. But it's an exception. Papa means father. It's masculine. Now let's speak about singular and plural nouns. Masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns will change in their own way. Let's look at some rules. Let's begin with neuter nouns. If a neuter noun ends with o, for example, окно, окно, a window, окно, or яйцо, яйцо, an egg, яйцо. In plural form, o will change to a. Окно, a window, окна, windows. Яйцо, an egg, яйца, eggs. If a neuter noun ends with ye, for example, солнце, a sun, солнце, or море, a sea, море, ye will change to a or ya. Солнце, a sun, солнца, suns. Море, a sea, моря, seas. And of course we have exceptions. A tree, дерево, trees, деревья. An apple, яблоко, apples, яблоки. An ear, ухо, ears, уши. A name, имя, names, имена. Дерево, деревья, яблоко, яблоки, ухо, уши, имя, имена. And now feminine nouns. If a feminine noun ends with a will change to I or I. If it ends with ya, it will change to I. Examples. Машина ends with a. Машина, a car. In plural, машины, I. A girl, девушка, ends with a. Девушки, in plural, girls. If a feminine noun ends with ya, for example, семья, a family, or башня, a tower, in plural, ya will change to I. A family, семья, семьи, families. A tower, башня, towers, башни. You may ask me, if a feminine noun ends with a, there are two variants, I in plural or I. So how can I understand if I need I or I? Well, if before a we have k, g, h, j, sh or ch, then a will change to I. For example, девушка ends with a, but before a we have k, so it will be девушки. Again, if before a in the end we have k, g, h, j, sh or ch, a will change to I. And now exceptions, исключения. Сестра, a sister. Сестры, sisters. Дочь, a daughter. Дочери, daughters. Мать, a mother. Матери, mothers. Жена, a wife. Жены, wives. Сестра, сестры, дочь, дочери, мать, матери, жена, жены. Now masculine words. If a noun ends with t, n, v or r, add I. For example, a cat, кот, cats, коты. A telephone, телефон, telephones, телефоны. Magazine, журнал, magazines, журналы. Computer, компьютер, computers, компьютеры. If a masculine noun has a soft sign in the end, it will change to I. For example, a troll, тролль, trolls, тролли. If it ends with ye will change to I. For example, a fight, бой, fights, бои. And now almost the same rule we have with feminine nouns. If a masculine noun ends with k, g, h, ж, щ or ч, add e in the end in plural form. For example, a lesson – урок, lessons – уроки. And now exceptions. A friend – друг, friends – друзья. A son – сын, sons – сыновья. A husband – муж, husbands – мужья. A brother – брат, brothers – братья. A day – день, days – дни. A city – город, cities – города. A teacher – учитель, teachers – учителя. A chair – стул, chairs – стулья. A human – человек. People – люди. A child – ребенок. Children – дети. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Пока-пока.